Hi, my name is Jason Tank from Traverse City, Michigan. Before I ask my question, I want to know if it's true that you guys are going to be here tomorrow at 9:30 to answer more questions. My question, I just recently read the book Quest for Value by, I think the author was Bennett Stewart from Stern Stewart Consulting Firm. And I want to talk to you a bit about, just ask you about different valuation methodologies and EVA in particular, and how that may or may not be more valid than, let's say, other benchmarks of value like PE or price to book or price to sales. Is that something closer? I noticed that the language that was used in this book was real similar to the type of language you guys use in your writings. So I'd like you to talk a little bit about EVA, if you could.
Charlie, why don't you take EVA?
I think there's an awful lot of twaddle and bullshit.
I knew that's what he was going to say. That's why. And I thought it deserved it, so I didn't want to say it myself.
In EVA, we keep stating over and over again that the game is to turn the retained dollars into something more than dollars. And EVA tends to incorporate cost of capital ideas that just make no sense at all. They make it sound very fashionable, and God knows it's correct that a corporation that earns a huge return on capital and keeps retaining it for a long time has a great record in terms of EVA. But the mental system as a whole does not work. It's like medieval theology.
I like that second term better than the earlier one. Number two.